Snoring. 10 tips for a silent night. There are different levels of snoring. How do I mean? If your wife moves out of the bedroom, then you snore at a moderate level. But if your neighbor moves, you are snoring at a higher level. Statistics show that men are much more likely to snore than women. We mentioned moderate snoring. Who are the moderate snorers? Moderate snorers are those who snore every night, but perhaps only when their back is on the floor. If you are having a similar situation with your spouse, or your brothers, or your family member, or a friend, these are some helpful suggestions you need to apply. 1. Go on a diet if you're a snorer. Most snorers tend to be a middle-aged or overweight men. And for the women, they are people who have passed the menopause age. The fact is, if you are someone who snores, try to slim down. Slimming stops snoring. And snoring is frequently related to being overweight. Could this be true? The answer is yes. We have found that if a moderate snorer loses his weight, the snoring becomes less loud. And in some people, it actually disappears. This takes us to number 2. Ignore the midnight spirit. It is observed that people love taking alcohol before they go to bed. If you are someone who loves taking alcohol before he takes to bed, it makes your snoring worse. So, my advice for you is that don't drink and sleep. 3. Stay away from sedatives. Some people sometimes sleep with pills just to make sure they can sleep, but they will keep their partner constantly awake. Anything that relaxes the tissues around the neck and the head will tend to make you who takes the pill snore. That takes us to number 4. Pull the cigarette light out. We found out that smokers tend to be snorers. So, if you're a smoker and you snore, my advice to you is stop smoking. 5. Back up. When you are sleeping, sleep on your side. This suggestion applies to moderate snorers. Why? Because moderate snorers only snore when they are on their back. But as for the heavy snorers, they snore in virtually any position. 6. Get on the ball. A tennis ball is a perfect object as a reminder. How do I mean? What I mean is this: when you put a tennis ball into the back of your pajamas, the moment you roll over on your back, you will hit the hard object and unconsciously you roll off your back. 7. Don't use pillow. If need be, get rid of it. So why should you get rid of the pillow? Because pillow only helps elevate your snoring level. So if you have a large pillow, the consequence is that pillow makes you to snore more. 8. Raise your bed to the new height. Elevating the bed can help minimizing snoring. But how could you accomplish this time? The best and simple way is simply put a couple of bricks under the legs of the head of your bed. That will raise the bed to a new height. 9. Blame it on your allergies. Sneezing and snoring work hand in hand. So snoring can develop due to allergies or cold. 10. Put a plug in it. If you have tried all the suggestions mentioned earlier on and you see that your partner is still doing such thing, what do you need to do? My advice to you is go to a pharmacy, get an ear plug and put it on your ear. This will eliminate the noise if need be.